So it's a rainy weekend in Cork, but darn it, we're going to figure it out. We're going to go see some things. Yay, let's go. Kilkenny has been our hub this month because it's affordable, walkable, and comfortable. Perfect for exploring Ireland. But getting to Cork isn't as simple as a direct train because there isn't one. All major rail lines lead through Dublin. We could have taken a coach, but with time before check-in, we took the scenic route, first to Dublin, then down to Cork. Our first stop is St. Finbarre's Cathedral, a striking neo-Gothic church that dominates Cork's skyline. Built in the late 19th century, it stands on the site of a much older monastery founded by St. Finbarre, the city's patron saint. The grounds are lined with old gravestones, each with its own story. Some, like this one, have long since fallen, but their inscription still offers a glimpse into the past. From here is just a short walk to Elizabeth Fort, a place with a very different kind of history. Originally built in the 1600s, Elizabeth Fort played a key role in Cork's defenses. Over the centuries, it's been a military barracks, a prison, and even a police station. But as we climb up the walls, we're reminded that life under English rule wasn't always peaceful. Is that where we were? Yep, that's what happens when you don't pay your taxes. The English market has been a centerpiece of Cork since 1788, famous for its fresh produce, local delicacies, and lively atmosphere. While a filming permit is required to capture video inside, we still got a few snapshots of the market's historic interior and its incredible selection of food. It was really fun. Because food. From here we wander into Carey Lane, a narrow shop-lined street. What really stands out to me about places like this is how many manage to thrive. In a lot of big cities back home, businesses struggle if they're not on the main roads. Without car access, they just don't get the foot traffic to stay open. But here in Cork, and in so many places across Europe, these tucked away lanes are full of life. People naturally walk through them, stopping in cafes and shops along the way. It's something I find fascinating, and Carey Lane is a perfect example of how a city can be built for people first. At this point, I'm on my own. Lisa had to stay back at the hotel with a migraine, but with only one day to explore Cork, I had to keep moving. My next stop is the Cork City Museum, set in Fitzgerald's Park. The museum sits beside a large open space, complete with a concert area and pavilion. Just beyond it is the President and Lord Mayor's Pavilion, which also houses an art exhibit. Unfortunately, with the museum closing in just 30 minutes, I didn't have time to check it out. Maybe next time. This free museum offers a look into Cork's history with a mix of artifacts and exhibits that tell the story of the city across the centuries. It's what I'd call a traditional museum, lots of stuff in glass cases, but even these displays provide a window into the daily life of people who lived here long ago. With the clock ticking and another stop still ahead, I had to keep moving. A deeper dive into Fitzgerald's Park will have to wait for another visit. I make my way to the University College Cork campus, renowned for its blend of historic and modern architecture. Established in 1845, UCC has a rich academic heritage and is considered one of Ireland's leading research institutions. The campus is a harmonious mix of Gothic Revival buildings and contemporary structures. Within the UCC grounds stands the Lewis Glucksman Gallery. Opened in 2004, the gallery serves as a cultural and educational hub, showcasing a diverse range of contemporary art exhibits. Its dynamic design and engaging exhibit make it a cornerstone of Cork's vibrant art scene. And hey, it's also free to visit. After visiting the gallery, and since I was here, I figured it was time for us to check out, or for me to check out UCC campus. A friend back in Kilkenny recommended exploring the grounds, highlighting their beauty and historic significance. While I didn't venture into the buildings, capturing the essence of the campus through photos and footage was a rewarding experience. As the day winds down, we take a last look at the River Lee, its waters flowing through the heart of Cork. This city has a way of blending history, culture, and energy into every street and skyline. And even in just a short visit, there's so much to take in. Like so many places we've explored, Cork isn't just about the landmarks. It's about the rhythm of daily life, the people, the movement, the feeling of a city that's always in motion. One day here wasn't nearly enough, but it was just enough to know we'd love to come back. You made it to the end of the video. Now go a little further by liking and subscribing so people like you can find us too. See you on the next adventure.